Good morning, evening, afternoon, everybody. My name is Miscellaneous Mac, and welcome back to the Untitled Goose Game. Now, before I begin, the next to-do list is to complete a whole list within a certain time frame. The time frame being is that church bell. Now, I did a little test beforehand. I had a little stopwatch, and the church bell goes in 7 minutes from when I start the game. So that being said, I'm gonna see if I can do a straight run through from a starting point. In this case, I'm going to start in the garden with the farmer, and hopefully I'll be able to get through. So here we go. To-do list. Get into the garden, groundskeeper wet. Okay. Now I think I remember everything, so we're just going to gun it. Where are you? There you are. Oh, shoot. Oh, I need him to get hair anyway. Did he count? There we go. Gotta take this down. And while we're at it, get the stuff for the picnic. Come on, don't do that. I can't waste time on you. Go away. I know it's a simple mission. For some reason, I feel my heart pumping. Trying to get this done. Go get it. Give me that. Hide you here so you can get your sun hat on. I really need him to get away. Rake in the lake, that's right. I have to get that rake in there. Crap! No, you can play with your rose. Here you go, his sun hat. Well, I gotta make him hurt his thumb too. So I think I'm gonna make him hurt his thumb, and then while he's in pain, I'm gonna take that rake over. There you go. Now fix it. Or not, I don't know. Get the... I don't even know where I'm at with time. All I know is that I might be running behind. I already have an apple. This way, this way. Oh, I need that radio too. Come here, follow me. Follow me, follow me. I need you to fix the sign. Here, take it from me. Take it from me. There you go. I need you to fix it. God, go away. Fix your thing. There you go. Now go, 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 go. See, now I need that radio, and I think... No, I need to get him wet. Oh, this is stressful. Breaking the lake. Do this. Do that. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. There you go. Gonna grab a carrot. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. There you go, put those away. Hit again. That's supposed to get you. Now get in there. Oh, I already did it. I'm just stupid. Okay. I just need... Oh, pumpkin! No! I don't even know how I'm doing on time. No, 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 no. You can go this way. No. Go this way. Turn around. Not that way. You know what? No. Give me the keys. These are more important to you. Absolutely not. Go away. You want a pumpkin? Get this one. No! Oh, I hate you. This is gonna be harder than I thought. Okay, let's try this again. Go, 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 go. Okay, let's start with this. Get it out of the way. Man, I really have to be moving. Okay, I got half of the picnic done. Let's go this way. I really have to think about what I'm... Oh my god! I have to think about what I'm doing carefully. Go. I'm gonna take his keys. There we go. Take the jam. And I need the pumpkin. The pumpkin's the hardest one. Because I can do the rake and him smashing his thumb, no problem. I can just do 2 in 1. It's just a pumpkin. Just that. Of course, I need a carrot. While he's not looking, go away. Oh, and I gotta wait. I can't afford you waiting. I can't afford for you to keep me waiting. Give me that hat. Ha! Carrot. Okay, now I need a thermos, a radio, and a pumpkin. And I need to make him wet somehow. You. Here. No, you. How about you come over here? I'm gonna take your sign. Just trying to bring it a bit further. Ooh, I'll get the rake and the pumpkin here. There we go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There's that. Now the pumpkin. Or maybe I can make a smash system again. Just keep him busy a bit. There you go. I'm gonna grab the pumpkin while he's doing that. The smallest one. On the thermos. Crud. Come on. Don't take it. There we go. He hasn't taken it yet. Ah, it's mine. Go away. Oh, that's a hat. You need to get wet. There you go. This way. Oh, you're wasting my time. Come over here. Oh my god, I hate you. There we go. I need that radio. No, I need this. I need this. Have a picnic. Did I do it? I did it! 1 minute left. Oh, there's an indicator there. I did it. Oh, that was stressful. Yeah. Okay, next is this one. Do I want to do this now, or... You know what, I'll do it next time. Because that's actually all the time I have for this episode anyway. So next time, I'm going to come into here in the marketplace. Oh, where's the kid? 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 There he is. Here. Come here. Yeah! Alright, anyway. That's all the time I have for this episode. Thanks you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys later.